never tire of nature, always in awe of its beauty. It invigorates and inspires me, beautiful colours and designs to relax and ease the human mind. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is in collaboration with BlondieNextDoor. She does lots of farmhouse DIYs, thrift flips, trash to treasures. So once you're done watching my video, head over to my description box for the link to her channel and her video. So for the first DIY, you're going to grab yourself an embroidery hoop. My one is 6 inches. And I've also got some lace, so you're going to need a bit of that. I can link this piece of lace for you, I got it from eBay. And now I'm going to set my embroidery hoop up. So I'm trying to make use of the fabric. I'm going to get it as close to the edge as possible. Then you're going to take the inner part here, slip it under it, and you're going to just push it into place like this. And then tighten this. And then you're just simply going to cut around it. Now we're going to be dressing this up, and to do that you can use real flowers if you like, dried out flowers, or you can use your artificial ones. I'm going to use artificial, and here I've just cut off some leaves, and I've also cut off a few flower heads here. Just got bits and bobs, so we're going to arrange them and stick them down using our hot glue. Now for the final bit of detail, I wanted to take this off. This is like a hairband, and this little dangly bit is like for decoration, but I want to get it off with my pliers and then stick it or somehow hang it so that it's just hanging at the bottom of this embroidery hoop or wreath. So what I'm going to do is hoop this little bit through one of these holes in the net and then close it up using my pliers. And this is the first project finished. I really like it. It's so delicate and so refreshing to look at as well. Does anyone else see a unicorn on this though? I don't know, the leaves sort of look like the ears. Yeah, it just looked like a unicorn to me. I did make some adjustments to this. I got rid of a few pieces at the top and I changed a few flowers, and also the little dangly bit I just glued on the base rather than hanging it on the lace. Okay, for the next DIY, this is going to be really quick, easy and simple, but it really does look effective. I've got this cloche from Hobbycraft. It's really small, and I'm going to be using real flowers for this one. They're all dried. And I will actually leave a link for the flowers that I have purchased because they're super cheap and it's really handy. This is how they come. The box did come battered or actually broken like this, but everything was fine inside. And there's like a huge selection of dried flowers. You've also got some dried plants. I just think they're really beautiful. So I also have this pearl garland here. I'm going to stick this around the edge just to decorate it a little. So we'll cut it to size and hot glue it. I'll start off by adding a little to one of the pearls. Just stick it in the center. Then you're going to wrap it around, apply a little bit of glue just in the middle, and another one here. Going to cut its size and then stick the last one down. There you go. And then the rest is just really quick. Take your arrangement and then we're going to cut its size. So all you're simply doing is taking your dried flowers, placing them inside. You don't have to glue them or anything. I think I'm happy with this arrangement. And then you're going to take the bottom, place it on top. And here's the second project, really quick and easy, so simple, but honestly this might be my favourite, or at least one of them. It just looks so high-end. Now for the third and final DIY, you're going to take this mirror. It was from Poundland. I'm going to remove all of the packaging. You're going to open the back and you're going to remove the mirror. Keep all of this because we're going to need it. So you actually have to get rid of the screws to get the mirror out. So I'm going to take 2 out and hopefully it will come out. There we go. Then you're going to take the backing, and this is a fat quarter piece that I also got from Poundland. So essentially all we're going to do is stick the material to this backing, cut its size and glue it down. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to slot it back into the frame. I'm just going to put those 2 back on with their screws. Okay, so I've got my watercolour set out here. I'm going to paint the frame because I just felt like it looked really cheap. I really don't like that, so I am mixing in 2 colours to try to create like a bit of an ivory colour, I guess. I've got white and I've got a cream colour here. I'm probably also going to do something with the butterflies because they kind of look a bit tacky just as they are. Excuse my hands. One of the paints had dried out, so I forcefully squeezed it, which was a big mistake, and it just went everywhere basically. It's all over my table as well, but hopefully I can get it cleaned up. So here is the cream colour. And I'm actually not mixing this with water. Lately I've been using my watercolour paints sort of like stains really, just to create a bit of colour to a few things that I've been working on. And what I like is that it really applies to every surface as well that I've tried. Ceramic, plastic, wood. Okay, so I've just painted the whole frame and the butterflies in those combination of colours, the cream and the white. I'm just going to go over it now with some white eyeshadow. So I'm just going to add a little shimmer to it. Just to the butterflies and their wings here. Okay, now that I'm finally happy with the frame, I'm just going to set that aside. I've got this necklace here. It's a pendant and I've never worn it or used it for anything, and I thought I really need to put it to some use. So I'm going to put it onto the frame. So this is the backing. Let me get it the right way around. What you're going to do is place the pendant where you like. So I've got it in the centre there, that's where I'm happy with it. And I'm going to dangle the chains on either side, so here and here. Then you're going to simply take your frame, place it on top. Then you just go and secure that at the back. Turn these back. And here's the third and final project for today. I'm so pleased with how it came out. I think it just looks so pretty and dainty, and I think it makes a good handmade gift as well as decor. And just look at that frame, it looks so much better now. It was so cheap and tacky looking before. That's all 3 projects for today. I hope that you have enjoyed these tutorials. Don't forget to show your love and support by leaving me a thumbs up, making sure you subscribe. Let me know which one of these are your favorites in the comments below, and I would absolutely love if you can share this video. Thank you so much for watching, take care of yourselves, and don't forget to check out BlondieNextDoor's channel in the description box. Bye!